Carve Would you like me to carve the kitchen តើអ្នកចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំឆ្លាក់សាច់មាន់មែនទេ Verbs used in kitchen Verbs used in kitchen កិរិយាសព្ទប្រើក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ add add beat the butter and sugar together and slowly add the eggs beat the butter and sugar together and slowly add the eggs វាយប័រនិងស្ករចូលគ្នារួចបន្ថែមស៊ុតចូលយឺតៗ boil boil up boil some potatoes for dinner up boil some potatoes for dinner ខ្ញុំបានស្ងោរដំឡូងខ្លះសម្រាប់អាហារពេលល្ងាច bake bake I baked a huge cake this morning and the kids scrapped the lot I baked a huge cake this morning and the kids scrapped the lot ព្រឹកនេះខ្ញុំបានដុតនំដ៏ធំហើយក្មេងៗបានញ៉ាំច្រើន beat beat To make an omelette you must first beat the eggs To make an omelette you must first beat the eggs ដើម្បីធ្វើអូម៉ាឡេតមុនដំបូងអ្នកវាយស៊ុតសិន blend 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 the ingredients into a smooth paste blend the ingredients into a smooth paste សូមកិនគ្រឿងផ្សំដាក់ចូលក្នុងម្សៅលាយ carve carve Would you like me to carve the kitchen Would you like me to carve the kitchen តើអ្នកចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំឆ្លាក់សាច់មាន់មែនទេ crack 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 3 eggs into a bowl and mix them together crack 3 eggs into a bowl and mix them together បំបែកស៊ុតចំនួន3ដាក់ចានមួយហើយលាយពួកវាបញ្ចូលគ្នា cut 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 a slice of bread cut a slice of bread កាត់បន្ទះនំប៉័ង cut up cut up cut the chicken breast up into small pieces cut the chicken breast up into small pieces កាត់ទ្រូងមាន់ជាបំណែកតូចៗ chop chop Peel the cucumber and chop it into small cubes. Peel the cucumber and chop it into small cubes. ចិតសំបកត្រសក់ហើយហាន់វាជារាង4ជ្រុង Thank you.